Hey guys, I'm going to show you guys how to make the easiest waffles with no buttermilk. You'll need a waffle iron and let's get started. Okay, we'll need a cup and 3/4 of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a tablespoon of baking powder, dash of salt, and then cinnamon and cloves and nutmeg, those are optional. Mix it all up. Okay, we're done with the dry ingredients, and now it's time for wet ingredients. So, to start, we're going to need 3 eggs. That one didn't pop. Mix it up. A cup and a half of milk. A tablespoon of vanilla extract. Okay, now we're gonna pour the liquid stuff into the dry stuff. But we're not done, so don't stop watching now. Mix it together. 8 tablespoons of melted butter. Pour in your butter. Mix it. And once you're done mixing, you're done with your batter. And your batter should look something like this. And now it's time to cook. Just let it heat up, and my waffle iron is on 4, or like between 3 and 4. That should be a good temperature. While I'm waiting for it to heat up, I'm going to use this olive oil spray. Just put it on it so the waffles don't stick. Okay, it's heated up, and I'm going to use about like I'm going to put like less than half a cup on. Now I wait for the light to turn green. Or you guys might have something else, I don't know. Also, get a plate, too. And when it's done, just take it off and put it on your plate. And just keep repeating the process until you are done with all your batter. Here are the delicious no buttermilk waffles. So easy to make and delicious.